My name is Brian McCullough. I'm one of the trial attorneys here at Murphy Law Firm. Been with the firm for 2 years now. I'm from Baton Rouge. I was born here, but I grew up in Atlanta, Georgia, and have been back ever since 1998 when I started college at LSU. My brother and my mom were in a pretty serious accident when I was in my first year at LSU. And I decided then that I wasn't going to allow that to happen to anybody that I cared about again without me being able to help them out. And that's what led me to go to law school and to seek out Murphy Law Firm. Being in the legal community for over 10 years before I came here, when I decided this was the field that I wanted to go into and specialize in, I sought out Peyton as the top personal injury attorney in town so that I could learn from him, and it's been a tremendous learning experience working under Peyton Murphy. I think the most important part about an attitude towards the accident victim is just compassion, understanding what they're going through, what they've been through, and how to help guide them through the process. With insurance companies against accident victims is your typical David versus Goliath situation. Insurance companies have teams of attorneys to go after accident victims to find out, why they don't deserve to be fully compensated for their injuries, and they need an advocate to speak on their behalf to make sure they are taken care of. I think a desire to fight for the client. The client has to come first. You really need to be able to put yourself in their shoes and see what they're going through, understand the pain that they're in. These sorts of injuries can be lifelong lasting injuries, and it's difficult. You're in this situation, you're new to it, you don't understand what's going on, what's going to happen from here, and you need someone to help guide you. And that's what I think is the most important part. The best thing about this job is at the end of a case, when you process the settlement with the client and they jump up from the chair and give you a big hug and say, "Thank you so much." That's when you know you're impacting people's lives.